Question 1. The children played football in the den. Your options are A. Gar, B. Woo, C. Goal, D. Hid, E. My. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Gar. When we insert gar into den, we get garden, which is a place where children can play. Question 2. She packed her lunch in a box. Your options are A. Lunch, B. Sand, C. Tool, D. Post, E. Music. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Lunch. When we insert lunch into box, we get lunchbox, which is a container for carrying meals. Question 3. The berry bushes were full of fruit. Your options are A. Blue, B. Rasp, C. Straw, D. Black, E. Cran. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is C. The answer is C. Straw. When we insert straw into berry, we get strawberry, which is a red fruit. Question 4. We saw a beautiful bow after the rain. Your options are A. Rain, B. Snow, C. Wind, D. Sun, E. Hail. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Rain. When we insert rain into bow, we get rainbow, which appears after rainfall. Question 5. The cake was delicious at the party. Your options are A. Cup, B. Pan, C. Hot, D. Cheese, E. Fruit. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Cup. When we insert cup into cake, we get cupcake, which is a small individual cake. Question 6. Please put on your coat before going outside. Your options are A. Rain, B. Over, C. Winter, D. Long, E. Warm. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Rain. When we insert rain into coat, we get raincoat, which protects you from getting wet. Question 7. The print was clearly visible on the paper. Your options are A. Foot, B. Hand, C. Finger, D. Thumb, E. Blue. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Foot. When we insert foot into print, we get footprint, which is a mark made by a foot. Question 8. We travel by road to reach the destination. Your options are A. Rail, B. Cross, C. Broad, D. Main, E. High. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Rail. When we insert rail into road, we get railroad, which is a track for trains. Question 9. The detective used a glass to examine the evidence. Your options are A. Reading, B. Magnifying, C. Looking, D. Spy, E. Opera. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is B. The answer is B. Magnifying. When we insert magnifying into glass, we get magnifying glass, which makes things appear larger. Question 10. The house provided shelter during the storm. Your options are A. Light, B. Tree, C. Play, D. School, E. Green. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Light. When we insert light into house, we get lighthouse, which guides ships safely to shore. Question 11. The fly buzzed around the room. Your options are A. Butter, B. Dragon, C. House, D. Fire, E. May. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Butter. When we insert butter into fly, we get butterfly, which is a colorful flying insect. Question 12. We need to buy a new brush for painting. Your options are A. Paint, B. Hair, C. Tooth, D. Scrub, E. Nail. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Paint. When we insert paint into brush, we get paintbrush, which is used for applying paint. Question 13. The ball rolled down the hill. Your options are A. Snow, B. Foot, C. Basket, D. Tennis, E. Base. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Snow. When we insert snow into ball, we get snowball, which is made by compacting snow. Question 14. She wrote in her book every evening. Your options are A. Note, B. Story, C. Text, D. Diary, E. Work. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Note. When we insert note into book, we get notebook, which is used for writing notes. Question 15. The man delivered letters to our house. Your options are A. Post, B. Milk, C. News, D. Sales, E. Fire. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Post. When we insert post into man, we get postman, which is a person who delivers mail. Question 16. The board was covered in chalk writing. Your options are A. Black, B. White, C. Clip, D. Surf, E. Key. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Black. When we insert black into board, we get blackboard, which is used for writing with chalk. Question 17. We sat around the fire to keep warm. Your options are A. Camp, B. Wild, C. Bon, D. Back, E. Rapid. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Camp. When we insert camp into fire, we get campfire, which provides warmth when camping. Question 18. The fish swam gracefully in the aquarium. Your options are A. Star, B. Gold, C. Jelly, D. Sword, E. Angel. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is B. The answer is B. Gold. When we insert gold into fish, we get goldfish, which is a popular pet fish. Question 19. The flower bloomed beautifully in spring. Your options are A. Sun, B. Wild, C. Wall, D. May, E. Corn. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Sun. When we insert sun into flower, we get sunflower, which is a tall yellow flower. Question 20. We watched the set from the beach. Your options are A. Sun, B. Moon, C. Up, D. Off, E. T. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Sun. When we insert sun into set, we get sunset, which is when the sun goes down in the evening.